Struggling with the constant cycle of buying and discarding, I decided to challenge the throwaway culture. I started a network of free repair cafes where people could bring broken items to be fixed instead of tossed. The tip: create a community space where skills are shared and waste is reduced. The outcome was incredible. Not only did we save countless items from landfills, but we also built a community of like minded individuals passionate about sustainability. This experience taught me that small actions can lead to big changes. Join the movement and start your own repair cafe today.